Hey guys, welcome back to kind of a different video. This is like a throwback Thursday. I used to do videos like what I'm about to do more often. Right now, if you're wondering where am I, I'm in like an unused room or it's unused now. It used to be used in my grandma's house because my room where I would usually film videos in my grandma's house when I visit, because I'm visiting my grandma's house. I would usually, when I visit my grandma's house and I want to do videos, I usually do it in my room. But my room is being taken over by a guest. It's actually leaving next week, which is kind of sad after staying here for a month. So we did have a lot of fun. That's too much information. Basically, I'm doing like a throwback Thursday video. It's back when my channel was all about like Pokemon cards. Um, Last time I opened up a pack was like in spring break, and even in spring break, like I got back into Pokemon cards for like a couple weeks. Um, so one thing I want to make clear: this channel's never gonna be a Pokemon card channel again. But when I do get the chance, I'm gonna do some more of these kind of throwback videos, and I have a big one. I have a big one planned. And I never like disliked Pokemon cards. Now my intended audience is teenagers, and I know most of the feedback I get is also from teenagers. And I'm pretty sure that sometime in your childhood you probably collected Pokemon cards. Um, and like me, a lot of people don't end up disliking Pokemon cards, but at the same time just kind of stop collecting. Me, I kind of have to weigh out what I spend my time with now because there's other stuff to focus on. So I personally focused on Fortnite, Minecraft, and Lego Mox. But I still am doing stuff with this behind the scenes. Like, I have a crap ton of cards, so I'm gonna start making some decks to play with my friends, because there are some of my friends that still collect this. This is the final set in the Sun and Moon thing. I'm sorry, it's like reversed. But there must have been a lot of hype around this. I personally was not there for it because I was not really following Pokemon card stuff. But I'm gonna do some more of these like throwback videos. So I have a very big one coming soon. Um, for Pokemon cards where I'm gonna unbox every Sun and Moon set. There's only like 12, or not 12. There's only like 9, I think, or not 9. I don't know. Okay, I don't know how many there are, but I'm gonna start Sun and Moon base set and then go from there. I'm very sorry about this like darkness. There we go. So the artwork looks really good on this. Whoever's doing the artwork now, like that looks like a freaking movie poster. Really like the artwork and the coloring too. So I'm just gonna unbox this, open it. Uh, Sword and Shield, the games, I'm gonna start playing them soon. But the cards for Sword and Shield might be interesting. We don't really know. Like, alright. So, here's a code card. Yes, I don't use these codes. I bet someone out there does, so I guess you could just go backwards on this. So, TML, just use the code. I don't. I think it's 4 to the front. Is that right? I hope that's right. Um, yes, yes, and by yes I mean I saw shine at the back. Um, and also I'm correct. So water, energy, uh, clay. Okay. Uh, Prinplup. Yeah, that's Prinplup. I have no beastite. Oh, that's cool. It's like a crystal. Trapinch, is that what it is? Yeah. I all these names are coming back to me. Um Oddish, yeah, that was gonna be my first guess. Rufflet, yeah, I'm correct at that. Pip Piplup. Sounds like something PewDiePie would say. Like when he was going like blip blop. Anyways, this is Alolan Vulpix. Very cool. Oh, this is upside down. That's cool. Let me Palpitude. And then what is this? Flygon GX. Flygon is a weird, wacky Pokemon. Um, but I guess he's kind of a fan favorite too, from what I've heard. Um, I kind of think he's weird, but a lot of people seem to like him. Uh, he's a fighting type too. I always thought he was a grass type or a dragon type, but I mean, I can't really complain though. We got a ultra rare card from this Throwback Thursday thing. I mean, that's kind of the goal of this. I mean, it's a throwback to some old, like the older type of videos I would do, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't want to be opening these packs for no reason. I would prefer to get like expensive cards out of them. So I'm glad we got this. If you guys have any suggestions, if you've been watching this channel for a while and want some throwbacks, I mean, the thing is Pokemon cards is probably the only thing that I really did a lot that I can throw back. I did a couple Warrior Cat videos, that book series. I mean, I still think it's good, but I just don't really read it anymore. If you guys want, I could probably read it. I don't have anything better to do. I have a whole bunch of the Dawn of the Clans books, and I was like halfway into reading the first one. Um, so I could do that, and then maybe go back to making art for that. Like, if you want that for a Throwback Thursday. Thing that I've planned for next Throwback Thursday, not like, I'm not doing this every week. I don't know when I'm going to do this. Like, I don't have it scheduled. But the next thing I have planned for Throwback Thursday is all the Sun and Moon packs. Um, as I said, I guess this is also a throwback to a lot of you guys, because I know that a lot of teens watch my videos, and probably, if you're a teenager now, sometime in your childhood, as I said, you've probably collected Pokemon cards. So, I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this sort of a different video, and I'm gonna get back to some really cool stuff with Udapau, because there's a new update for that. Since I have not done an update for that in a couple months, you might have seen the update that was on Tuesday. I'm doing another one on Friday, tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. See you guys later. Bye, guys.